Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to make your microphone sound pro on OBS. So let's start. You can modify your microphone here on the second option that is audio. Here you can modify the volume, and also if you want to deactivate or activate the motorization here, as well as the sounds. This is one way to do it and modify it and make it sound better. But if you prefer, also you can go to control and then to settings. Here on settings you can modify everything. For example, general, you can check the general projection, preview, and then you can find here on the left side the audio. Here on audio you can go to the frequency if you wanna 48, the channel, stereo, mono, and here on devices of audio you can modify everything if you prefer. So you also can modify the velocity or the speed of this, and you can deactivate by defect or if you prefer something else. So that's how you can do it. It's very easy. As you can see, you can modify a preferences that you want, and then when you modify it you can start using it. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.